Welcome to Module 2, Digital Marketing with ChatGPT. In this module, we will explore the ways in which ChatGPT can be used to improve and optimize digital marketing efforts. Over the course of 3 hours, we will cover a range of topics, from the basics of digital marketing to advanced analytics and reporting. Lesson 1 will introduce you to the world of digital marketing with ChatGPT. You will learn about the importance of using ChatGPT for digital marketing and gain an understanding of the basic concepts involved. Lesson 2 focuses on using ChatGPT for search engine optimization, or SEO, including how ChatGPT can assist with identifying target keywords and optimizing content for search engines. Lesson 3 will delve into social media marketing with ChatGPT, including developing a social media strategy, creating effective content, and measuring social media metrics. Lesson 4 will cover content marketing with ChatGPT, including creating content that resonates with the audience and distributing it effectively. Lesson 5 will explore email marketing with ChatGPT, including building email lists, creating effective campaigns, and measuring email marketing metrics. Lesson 6 focuses on analytics and reporting in digital marketing with ChatGPT, including understanding key digital marketing metrics and reporting on performance. Finally, Lesson 7 will provide best practices for digital marketing with ChatGPT, including ethical considerations, tips for creating effective campaigns, and staying up to date with new trends and technologies. By the end of this module, you will have a solid understanding of how ChatGPT can be used to improve digital marketing efforts, as well as the skills and knowledge to create effective campaigns and measure their success. Let's get started.